Alright guys, how's it going? Jeff here. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought it was time for one. And what better fan to do one on than one of many people's favorite industrials, the Envirofan Gold Line. So this is actually one of two gold lines I recently picked up. It's the first time I've ever had a gold line, to be honest. Obviously seen them installed before, but never come across one or had the chance to own one. I'm not sure where these came from originally. I found them at a Habitat restore. The motor and hardware canopies all appear to be original paint. However, looking at the blades, it looks like someone has previously spray painted the blades at some point in time. So really, a full refinish would probably be best on one of these things. But anyways, they both run great. They run quietly, no bearing noise. From what I was told, I believe these are late 70s, early 80s Union-made gold lines. They say made in Canada on them. They're labeled Envirofan, extra heavy-duty gold line. And let's see, is there any more information? Serial number is 8004434G, 0.9 amps. Oh, hi Chaz. That's Chaz the cat. Model 160F7. And that's about all the information they have on them. So we'll go ahead and test them out. Test it out. What I'm using to do this test is a Union transformer wall control, 5-speed, like you would see on an industrial. So I figured what better control to use. Chaz, get off of the record player. I figured what better control to use than a Union control on a Union-made gold line. So we'll start out on the lowest setting, which is actually 5 on the control, and then move up to the fastest. So here is low, or speed 5. Go ahead and knock it up to speed 4. And even at this speed, and not even moving that fast, I can still feel some decent air movement out of this thing. Just shows what impressive fans they are. We'll go up one more to speed number 3 in the middle. And this seems like it would provide plenty of speed for any needed cooling application, but there's still 2 more above this, which just shows how impressive these things are. So we'll go up to number 2. And we'll go all the way to high speed now. Really an impressive industrial. These things, I think I weighed the motor, and the motor itself alone is like 23 pounds. So quite a hefty fan. It's the king of the industrials, the gold line. What more can I say? Vintage one at that. So we'll turn it off and just spin down now. Don't want to hit your head on this thing, that's for sure. So I did want to make a video because I thought people would appreciate it. However, both of these gold lines, these will not be going up for sale. I'm going to keep one, and another is going to a fellow collector friend of mine. So these ones will not be hitting eBay, unfortunately. I have some other cool fans that might be going up pretty soon. So stay tuned for more videos if you're in the market. But yeah, I had this installed, and before I take it down for something else, I wanted to do a quick demonstration and shoot a video of it. Alright, so that's about done. We'll go ahead and stop the video. Hope you've enjoyed the Union-made Envirofan Gold Line video.